Hello friends, today's topic Santa Claus Market Rally from December 26th to January 2nd. Have a look at the video. 25th December is celebrated as Christmas Day all over the world. Santa Claus is a person created by Western culture who is said to bring gifts to children during Christmas time. Here is a picture of Santa Claus. You may be wondering what is the connection of Santa Claus to stock markets. For many years, it has been observed, especially in US markets, that in the last 5 trading days in December and the first 2 trading days of January every year, stock prices usually rise. Since the rally is happening after Christmas, when Santa Claus arrives, such a rally is called Santa Claus Rally. Generally, statistics show that the Santa Claus rally applies to most global stock markets and in most years. Let us observe past data to understand whether tomorrow could be the start of the Santa Claus rally for Indian markets. Performance of Nifty 50 index between 26 December and 2nd January 2012, change in Nifty 50 between 26 December and 2nd January 2.3% up. 2013 minus 0.7%, 2014 plus 2.7%, 2015 1.3% up, 2016 plus 2.5%, 2017 plus 0.5%, 2018 plus 2.3%, 2019 plus 0.6%, 2020 plus 2.8%, 2021 plus 2.1%, 2022 2.2% up, and 2023 question mark average is 1.69. So in the Indian markets too, Santa Claus rally has been happening. On an average for the last 11 calendar years, Nifty has gone up by 1.69% between 26 December to 2nd January. Also, 10 out of the 11 years, there have been positive returns to the Nifty during this period. Even this year, if this small uptrend sustains, then it can be called as a Santa Claus rally. History seems to be consistently repeating every year. Similar data has been seen in US in other stock markets too. However, usually the rally in this period is short-lived and the market behaves normally after this period, depending on the overall situation in the country and the world. So let us see what happens in the coming 5 to 6 trading days. Here is an announcement. Dr. Bharath Chandra ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ on 26 December Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. live question answer session on YouTube on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. At the end of the video, here is the question. Had you heard about Santa Claus rally before this video? Yes or no, you may type. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.